Hello, my tiny tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourselves and drinking milk every day. Very good. So, welcome back to Learn Power Wisdom. Hi, kids. By the cap. In today's class, I will tell you about games. Are you all excited? Yes, I know you are. Let's start our today's class. Okay, so I will tell you about two types of games today, okay? First one is indoor games and second one is outdoor games. So what are indoor games? Do you know? Yes, the games that we can play inside our home, okay? That we don't have to go outside. We can play inside only. Like nowadays it's very cold outside. So these type of games we can play inside also. Okay, now what are those games? I will tell you that. First one is Ludo. This is the Ludo, and you just need a Ludo and some dice for playing. Okay, so Ludo we can play inside our home, and for Ludo we need 4 players. Okay, one, two, three, four, which can sit on the 4 sides of the Ludo board. So we need 4 players in Ludo. Next is Carrom board. Carrom board is also an indoor game that we can play inside our home. And in carrom board also we just need 4 players. Okay. Next one is chess. Now chess is very mindful game. Chess means we just need 2 players. Okay. Next one is boxing. Do you do boxing also? No, you're very small kids. You can't do boxing right now. But you can do boxing when you can grow up. Okay. So boxing may also we just need 2 players at a time. Next one is snooker. Snooker has a big board. It needs a big space. So snooker we can play in team. Okay. Next is table tennis. In table tennis also you just need 2 players at a time. Okay. So these are some games that we can play inside our home, that we don't have to go out to play these games. Now next is outdoor games. These games are played outside the home. Okay. ये वाले गेम्स हम घर के बाहर ही खेलते हैं, हम घर में ये नहीं खेल सकते हैं. And what are those games? वो कौन से games हैं? First one is cricket. Do you all watch cricket? Yes, we all watch cricket. It is very famous game in India. Okay. So in cricket, we need 2 teams. And each team has 11 players in it. Do you know that? Yes. Each team has 11 players in it. So cricket we play outside our home. Okay. Next is football. This is a football. We need a ball like this to play this game. And in this game also we need 2 teams. And it is a outdoor game. Next is hockey. So hockey may we also we need 2 teams. Hockey may we need 2 teams, team A and team B. Okay. We need this hockey stick and the hockey ball. It is also outdoor game. Next is golf. Very rare people play this game. Not everyone can play this game. So it is also outdoor game. Next is archery. In archery we need an arrow and a bow. Like in ancient times, Maharajas and Rajas, kings and princes used to do the archery. Nowadays it's very rare, but it's also very good game. So you should also learn archery. When you will grow up, you should learn archery. Okay. It is also outside game. You play outside our home. And the last one is cycling. Obviously, we can't cycle inside our home, right? It's an outdoor game. We do cycling in the evening, in the morning. But where we do? We do in the parks, in the grounds. Okay. So these all games are outdoor games that we do outside our home. Okay. Now next is this activity. Look at the pictures and cross the odd one out. Now we have to see among these pictures which one is the odd one out. Let's see. First is chess, then cricket, and then boxing. So I think these two games are indoor games, but this cricket is outdoor game. So cricket is the odd one out. You put a cross like this. Next is hockey, cycling, and ludo. So these two are outdoor games, and this is indoor. This is odd one out. Okay. Next is golf. This is table tennis. Next is snooker. These two are indoor games and golf is an outdoor game. So it's a cross. Next is archery. Next is football and then carom board. The carom board is a indoor game, but archery and football is a outdoor game. So carom is odd one out. We'll put a cross on carom board. Okay. So I hope that you have understood this chapter about indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games are those games which we can play inside our home, and outdoor games are those games which we cannot play inside. We have to go outside to play them. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy learning.